far, kinda. Okay, I should stop hitting the whoa in the beginning of every video. Okay, this video is a collab with the lovely Hershey Drawz and Ad Art on YouTube. They have both just absolutely amazing, beautiful art and content and editing and aestheticness, and basically we each gave each other an anime character to draw. So I gave them Nezuko, so they're both gonna draw Nezuko. Ad gave us Zenitsu, who is canonically my son. You can't argue with me. Me and Hershey are gonna draw Zenitsu, and Hershey gave us Todoroki, who is canonically my husband. Sorry. Me and Ad are also gonna draw Todoroki. Anyway, I was like starting to sketch out the characters and I had like a good idea of what I wanted to do, and then I was like, wait, I could do something with this. and I wanted to make room decor of these animes and those characters. So let's begin. You can hear Discord notifications in the background. Okay, bye. Hello everyone, it is Editing Me, coming to kind of explain my really chaotic thought process because this video sounds like I'm high. That was a joke. Don't do drugs, kid. Don't do drugs, kid. Okay, anyway, before we go on into the feast, we have to start off with the appetizer. We have to start off with something small. So I decided to draw Zenitsu's little sparrow. Shintaro, or Kogi, is just this adorable little sparrow that is in the anime, and I love him to death. He's so adorable. I wanted to do like a little welcome sign poster where he's kind of like screaming at you, so that's what I started to do. Please, I'm sorry, my handwriting is so terrible. I see all these YouTubers with their like beautiful little tiny handwriting and I'm like, how? Oh yeah, I muted the audio in this clip, but I was basically fangirling over this hand, even though looking back on it, it looks really wonky. I hate it. Anyway, I feel really sorry for your ears, so I'm gonna leave you alone for a little bit. I'll return, don't worry. Enjoy this pitiful song for now. Getting so far.
I've been looking your way, finding words to say when it's time. But won't you give me just one chance?
Okay, hello. It's so funny to watch these clips and like just hear what I was watching at the time. Because in this footage, I was watching like Miraculous Ladybug or something. It's so hilarious. Speaking of Miraculous Ladybug, every single episode of the new season is a bang. I haven't watched Guild Trip or Optogami yet because I'm trying to watch them in order as best as I can. I skipped the 5th episode though because God knows when that's gonna get released. This video is not for me to rant about Miraculous Ladybug. Let's actually talk about Zenitsu, my baby boy. His character design is just so amazing, and I know, he gets annoying in some episodes, but he's still so pure. I don't know why I love characters like him. They're just like so adorable. I don't know, man. He reminds me of Yui from K-On! And Hanayo, I think it is, from Love Live. I haven't watched Love Live in like 3 years, okay? They're like very sunshine, very clueless, but they're also like really talented at what they do. It's so cute. Oh yeah, and Minarine from Toradora. Oh my gosh, okay, they are like golden. They are so cute. If you knew me 2 years ago, no you didn't. I was obsessed with Todoroki. To be honest, I still am, but I wasn't as crazy as I was back then. I mean, my friends will be the judge of that, but you know, I was like obsessed with Todoroki, and it was not healthy. I had tried to draw him multiple times, like 3 times, and I failed, so I had to do this again. Again, I apologize so much to Hershey and Ad because I had to delay this video a few days because I just couldn't draw him properly. I got Zenitsu first try, but Todoroki, I don't know why it took me so long to find something that would suit him. One of my YouTube friends, Todoroki, has like a Todoroki themed channel, so I really looked up to her while making She recently like made her profile picture like a kidcore version of Todoroki, and I thought it was so cool, and that's kind of the inspiration I had behind the spread. Thank you very much, Todoroki. Todoroki, my beloved. Anyway, I'm just kind of making the spread very, very chaotic. The drawings I did of him look really bad, but you know what? It's okay. But yeah, that's all I have to say. Have an amazing rest of the day. You are talented, beautiful, wonderful, amazing, lovely, talented, beautiful. I love you so much. Yeah, that's all I have to say. I'm trying to fit in a bunch of words in like 30 seconds. Be sure to check out Hershey and Ad as they make just wonderful, amazing content, as I have repeated multiple times in this video. Here's the finished collage thingy-majigger. I don't know how to describe it. I really like the colors, and I like how it came out as well. I just hung up some past artwork and some Pokemon cards. Also, I have this rat. His name is Cloudy. He's an IKEA rat, and I love him to death. Okay, that's it. I should really stop ranting about IKEA rats. See ya!